diesel exhaust aftertreatment system is designed to reduce the levels of hydrocarbons, carbon monoxide, oxides of nitrogen or NOx, and particulate matter remaining in the vehicle's exhaust gases. Reducing these pollutants to acceptable levels is achieved through a three-stage process. This video will focus on stage 2 of the diesel exhaust aftertreatment, the SCR. In stage 2, the Selective Catalytic Reduction, SCR, converts NOx to nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. Diesel exhaust fluid, or DEF, also known as reductant, is a mixture of deionized water and urea. The DEF system consists of a reservoir which holds approximately 19 liters or 5 gallons of DEF, the ECM controlled pump that supplies pressurized DEF to the reductant injector, a DEF level sensor within the reservoir, and a DEF pressure sensor that tells the ECM how much pressure is generated by the DEF pump. The ECM energizes the reductant injector to deliver a precise amount of reductant upstream of the SCR in response to changes in the exhaust NOx levels. Within the SCR, exhaust heat converts the urea into ammonia that reacts with NOx to form nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. NOx reduction occurs at SCR temperatures above 200 to 400 degrees Celsius or 390 to 750 degrees Fahrenheit. As reductant will freeze at temperatures below 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit, there are 3 reductant heaters. Heater 1 is in the DEF reservoir. Heater 2 is in the supply line to the reductant injector. And heater 3 is at the reductant pump. Make sure to only put DEF fluid in the DEF tank. You can also watch tech tubes on stage 3, the DPF and regeneration, as well as stage 1 on the DOC. I'm Jim Rokitsky for AC Delco. Thanks for watching.